Hey guys, welcome back to Joru 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Testing out Demon Turf Neon Splash for the PC. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790. I totally took a pause there for a second, wondering what the heck I was looking at. With my Intel HD 4600, I ran in the game today with 16GB of DDR3 RAM, and we are running at 720p on the lowest preset. Not really, I do have some other things on. Let's turn off this light optimizer. I'll leave on texture quality and depth of field with blur. Let's turn off volumetric lighting, and that's it. We're gonna leave texture quality up to high, and that's it. Everything else is basically off. Turn off for bloom. Turn off. And we're gonna call it a day. Wait, we're not. No, they weren't off. They were off. I just turned them on. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Now, I didn't remember testing the first one. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with Neon Splash. It definitely isn't the same game. Which is interesting. Like, is it DLC? Is it an expansion? Did they just make another game? I don't believe they could just make another game. I feel like this is more what DLC. It looks way more bright compared to the previous one. I'll tell you that much. Do I remember how to jump and stuff? Heck no. Heck no. But I don't think I need to either. I think I got the jumping down enough that it doesn't matter. It's definitely a art style you went with here. An interesting one. Alright, tell me what to do. Alright, the spin, I forgot, yeah. Got it. Okay. Man, that got me far. The game seems to be running really well though on the Intel HD 4600. I don't know if I'm actually going to test this on the other ones as well. I kind of hesitated to even to get it in the first place. I was saying, should I? I don't know. But it depends on how this video does. I guess I'll decide to do it on the others as well. If you guys want to see it on the 620, the IRIS 540, and the RX 570, just leave a comment down below, and I will do it, I suppose. It's an interesting thought process. I'm doing it because it's easier to do it on the 4600 because obviously it's the lowest end. So I'm showing you guys that it can, everything else from here obviously is going to run way higher. Like the 620 and the IRIS 540, the IRIS 540 is definitely going to hit 60 FPS if it was to drop low like this, but the 620 may even hit close to 60, maybe in the 40s at least. The game is still a bit demanding. I'm barely squeezing 30, so a bit over 30, so you know, you gotta keep that in mind. But once again, I hope you guys enjoy these videos where you see me testing games on lower end hardware. I'm just trying to show you guys that hey, we can still run games even on this potatoes of PCs. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm just gonna mute myself and just enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time. There's really not much to talk about. Oh dear. I'm gonna mute myself now.